Hey guys, good morning. Guys, if you're able to see my screen, just type S in the chat box so that we can get started. Yeah, thanks for the confirmation. So guys, what are we going to do today? We are going to continue implementing the page object model page factory design pattern in our project. So let's do that now. Okay, so let me go to the workspace where we
Hi
are
Arun,
working
just
on.
one request.
Yes, Joel, tell me.
Yes, Arun, yesterday's session was not uploaded. I didn't see that date. Only that session I missed. If possible, can you please give a quick recap so that I won't miss the continuation? That's why.
Okay, I uploaded it. Have you seen that or did I
Okay,
not upload it?
yesterday's session is not yet uploaded.
1 minute. Okay, let me upload it. Okay, fine. I thought I have uploaded it. Fine, that's okay. I'll upload it now.
Okay,
That's the
thank
one
you.
thing that I will do. Just give me a second. Yeah, this is the one, right? So, fine. Yeah, nothing is there in yesterday's session. We just continued implementing the page object model, page factory for four other tests, okay, as a continuation part. So let me
Okay,
open that. I'll show you what exactly we have done yesterday. Starting from the ninth test, we started here. So we went for the ninth one, and here, whatever the hard-coded locators were there, we have successfully removed them by implementing the page object model, page factory design pattern in this, and we have run the scripts. Here also, we did the same thing. Okay. 10th one also we did the same thing. Then 11th one we did the same thing, and 12th one also we did. Okay, we have removed the hard coding of the locators from the till 12th rest. We have done that. Now we are in the 13th one. Okay, today we'll continue with the 13th one. Okay,
okay, fine.
fine. Okay. So what is the thing that we have to do now is, is there anything else that I can take care of? I'm just thinking, okay, in terms of anything. Let me see. Yeah, fine. So what I will do here is expected first name placeholder is there, right? I'll just put it here, cut it from there here. In place of that, directly I'll place it. Why to waste this line, right? I'll just reduce the lines also meanwhile. The next one is last name. Cut this last name and paste it here. Okay. Then email label, cut it from here. Okay, paste it here also. Telephone label, then password label, then password confirm label. Done. And these lines are no more required. We have reduced the lines. Okay, but that's the one thing. Next thing is that in the 13th test, already we have implemented the page object model, page factory design pattern here. So we don't have to do much. So I think we completed 13th also now. And let's see, since we changed something, let's see whether it is working fine or not by after running the script. I'm running the test to see whether it is working fine or not. Yeah, it's working fine. So let's go with the next one. That is 14th one. The 14th one, what do we have? So here multiple places we are using this expected content and color. So we'll keep it like that. And here also we implemented already, guys. In the 14th one also we implemented the register page dot. Okay, I think we have done it yesterday. Okay, all this stuff started from 9 to 14 we completed, but we modified 13 because it's not purely completed. So I have removed some lines to reduce the statements and all. Fine then. What's the next thing then? This completed, then 15th one. So in yesterday's session till 14 we completed. So today, is it what about 15th one? Did we touch or not? Get property name and here the locators are still not the locators of the locators of this particular elements are still hard coded. We have to remove them now. So this is a first name field input. First name is a first name field. I'll simply write down register page, register page dot enter. Okay, register, sorry, register page dot enter first name, and here I'll enter this one. Okay, enter first name. Okay, or we can also am I you reusing it anywhere else? Maybe I'm reusing it. First name is equal to, yeah, here first name get string of first name. I'm saying, just give me a second, guys. Okay, so let's keep it like this for now, and I'll just say enter first name. Somewhere I'm reusing that. That's the reason I have written like that. Okay, so this line I can remove. Next thing is last name. So here I'll write down register page. register page dot enter last name, and in that entered last name will be there, last name data will be there, and here we can remove this part. For the next one, email, enter email data into the email field. So here I'll write down register page dot enter email, register page dot enter email I'll say, and here entered email data I'll put it. After that is done, entered password data into the password field. Here write down register page dot enter password, and here entered password data. That's fine. Remove this. Okay. What we can do here, JavaScript executor, JSC is equal to JavaScript executor of driver and all those stuff. Okay. So we can reduce this line if you want still. Okay. If you still want to reduce this line, you can still reduce that, guys. In earlier script also it is there. No? Somewhere here JavaScript was there in one of the previous things. Ninth one not there, 10th one not there, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. Yeah, in 14th, do we have the JavaScript thing? Yes. Can I reduce at least one line here? Yes, it is possible. Instead of, storing this into JavaScript executor, what we can do here, instead of this object reference, what we can do here, take it this one out, and wherever the JSC is there, put that, and surround that with circular bracket. Okay, surround that with circular bracket. Okay, this line is no more required now. Okay, so like this, we can reduce the lines. Okay, what about the next one? Anywhere else we have the JavaScript executor again? Again, the same thing here also. Copy this part and paste it here. Paste it here. Okay. Then next one, paste it here. Paste it here. Wherever the JSC is there, paste that part. I'm just reducing one line, but I have to do this much of work. That's okay. It happens. Wherever we get a chance of reducing even a single line, we'll not take it for granted. We'll definitely reduce that. Okay. All the lines will reduce. That's okay. Save all and run the test once to see after doing some changes, this particular test is working fine or not. We have to see. Yeah. This will fail definitely because for privacy policy field, this is not there. Okay, in which line it is failing? 513th line. Yes, privacy policy field, it will fail. There is a defect in the application. All good. And coming here, guys, 15th one. Already we have done this. And here there is a JavaScript executor. Instead of writing like this, what we'll do? We'll surround this with circular bracket first of all. And take this part, this object reference of the JavaScript executor, and we'll just put it at JSC, and this line is no more required. Okay. Like that we can get the things done. And after that is done, in single line we have done that. And next thing is input a newsletter dot click. You are selecting the newsletter option, register page dot select what is this actually? Input newsletter. Okay, this is on a different page. That's okay. So I understand. So this one I cannot modify, guys. This particular 15th test, right? We have done it on a different application. Okay, we have done it on a different application here, not our application. That's okay. This is a temporary test and all those stuff. You see, localhost, we have verified this on. Anyhow, we'll modify it according to our needs, so it will not work fine. Okay, that's okay. Just select yes newsletter option, and then click on the select privacy policy field, register page dot select. This will not work anyhow. Okay, this particular script is not going to work because database is not on. On that day, I already covered how to automate this, but in real time, I cannot demonstrate this. We can disable also this particular test. We can disable also from running. Okay, there's no need of running this because appropriate application page we are not using. We need a common application, right, where this particular test will run. But this particular test will not run on a common application like tutorialsninja.com/demo application. This particular test will not work. We have to host a application in our machine to explore this particular functionality, but so it doesn't work. That's okay. So we'll just keep it aside for a while. Okay. So here, what is this one? We need to click on the continue button, I think so. Okay, we need to click on the continue button, register page dot click on continue button. Okay, put a semicolon here, and once you click on the continue button, all good. And JDBC will not change anything here. Only we'll focus on removing the hard coding of the locators, and we'll disable the test from running, guys. Okay, we don't want this particular test to be running because this works only in the local host. Okay, local host setup application. So we'll not do it. So here, is there any option to enable is equal to some false or something we have to give here, guys? Okay. If I say enabled is equal to false, will this particular test will run or will not run? Tell me, guys. If I say enabled is equal to false, I don't, out of all the tests, I don't want to run this test. Okay, when run all the tests, this particular test should not run. Okay, because this will run on a different application, so it's not related to the common application. So I'm removing this. Okay, run the test to see. You see, it should not get running. It should not run. You see, what happened here? We should get pass zero, fail zero, and it didn't run actually. Basically, it didn't run. Okay, we didn't even get a proper output also. It didn't run actually. Zero tests were running. Okay, zero tests were running. Nothing was run. Okay, fine. That's okay. This got skipped. Otherwise, it got skipped. Okay, simple in indirectly. We're not going to worry about that. Let's go to the 16th one. And here in the 16th one, we have to remove the hard coding of the locators here. So we'll write down register page dot enter first name. And in the first name, you have to enter this first name as like this. Okay, remove this part. Then register page dot enter last name, and in the last name just give this part. Then register page dot enter email. In the email you enter this part, blank space you are entering. Then after the email is done, register page dot enter register page dot enter telephone. Into the telephone you give space. Once that is done, telephone is also done, write down register page dot enter password, and here give this. Then once this is also done, then write down register page dot enter confirmation password, and give this part for confirmation password. Remove this line, then write down register page dot select privacy policy field. Done. Register page dot click on continue button. Remove this part. Okay, done. So this part is done. And next one, expected first name warning and all those things are there here. That's okay. But here locators are still hard coded. We have to remove the hard coding of the locators. This is a warning message of the first name field. So how to get the warning message of the first name field? Register page dot get first name warning. Okay. So this line is not required anymore. Okay. Remove this line. Control Shift F. Done. The next one here, last name warning. Remove this line and write down register page dot get last name field warning. Okay. Last name warning. Control Shift F. Done. Here email warning. Get text only is there. Register page dot get email warning. Okay, Control Shift F. Then this is telephone warning. Register page dot get telephone warning. Control Shift F. Formatting purpose. Okay. Then here again the same thing. Expected warning message, and here I need to write down actual warning message. Validation message is coming here. So for this I need to write down, instead of writing like this, validation message of the email field. Okay. Instead of writing like this, here I'll write down register page dot get email validation message. Okay, which matches with this, then we are good. We can also reduce this line if you want. Cut and paste it here, and this line also can be reduced. Here also cut, paste it. That's okay. You can remove that line. Wherever the possibility of reducing the lines will definitely reduce. email, then this is a telephone, and remove these lines. Done, all good. Okay. Save all. And once saved all, is there any error somewhere? Yes, there is an error somewhere. Here, semicolon game. That's okay. Save this and go here and run the test. Let's see whether the test is working fine or not. For telephone, you will not get the warning because there is a defect in the. Okay, there is no defect. Okay. Enter only spaces. That's. I think it's working fine. But what about the telephone field? Okay, is it real? Okay, I'm running on which browser? Edge browser. So this matches with done and first name. Okay, for example, if I go to this application and go to the register. Okay, I'm giving spaces, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here, what is happening? I'm entering this space actually. Okay. Then here also same thing. Here also same thing. Here also same thing. Password and password confirm doesn't matter. That's okay. We are not verifying that. And click on the continue button. What is happening? First name must be between 1932, 1932. Email does not appear to valid is fine. What about the telephone field? Telephone does not appear to valid is not coming, but why the test is still passing is something I'm just not able to understand here. Get telephone warning will be blank, right, in this case. So let's run the test again to see whether it is working fine or not. If the defect in the application, it should not work fine. Not getting that error. Okay, fine. Let me investigate this problem. Okay. So press pause, click on the continue button. It is Edge browser. That's okay. And we'll go inside the zip block. And here get first name warning, last name warning, email warning, telephone warning. Get text. Okay, let's see. I'll print this out first of all. System.out.println. System.out.println. Register page dot get telephone warning. Let me print in the output to see what exactly is coming there. Save this and run the test. I think got pre 1 minute. I think it's not going to the if block maybe. Okay, got it. So here we have to give local edge, guys. Okay, this is a problem. We forgot to do that. Edge browser. Okay, that's the reason maybe. Now, yeah, here edge is there now. That's the reason. Okay. Otherwise, we have to use dot equals ignore case here. Okay. Everywhere we have to use dot equals ignore case instead of equals method. So dot equals it's better to use. Okay. Yesterday we changed the script a bit. That's the reason it's happening. Equals ignore case equals ignore case equals ignore case. Now it will work fine whether that is okay. That's the reason it was not failing the test. Now it will fail, guys. Definitely it's going to fail this time. So it was not going to the if block earlier. Okay. The test need to fail. There is a defect in the application. The test need to fail. I got it out and then verified it. Okay. Because for telephone field warning message is not coming, so it should fail the test. Okay. That's the reason. It will fail the test. Okay. This time it's working fine. So no such element exception. Unable to locate the element. This particular element is not there, and some exception came. That's okay. This is how it need to fail the test. Assertion error is not coming, but no such element exception is coming because if you go here and here telephone field, okay, this particular element is not available. You are getting, but later we'll modify that. We will not get no such. We should not get no such element exception. we should get assertion error, but we'll do that change later, guys. Not This is not the right time. Okay, we'll do it later. Okay, every time we should not get no such element exception. Anyhow, it is failing the test for now. That is okay. Okay, the next one here is 17th test. Let's go to the 17th one, and here we are entering the first name into the first name field. Register page dot enter first name. Here write on prop dot get property first name. Remove this one. Then register page dot enter last name, and here write down prop dot get property last name. Next one, register page dot enter email, and here write down comma utilities dot generate brand new email. Remove this line. Then register page dot enter telephone, and here write down prop dot get property telephone number. You write down telephone number and remove this line. And here register page dot enter password text you enter, that's okay. Then register page dot enter confirmation password. Okay, same thing, done. Then here select S newsletter option, register page dot select yes newsletter option. Remove this line. Register page dot select privacy policy field. Remove this line. Register page dot click on continue button. Put a semicolon here. Here expected actual warning is equal to actual warning dot expected warning. That's all good. Here, okay, using getText method, we are doing that. Yes. So instead of writing like this, we have to get the page level warning message here. Okay, enter password which follows the password complexity should come where actually under the password field. Okay, got it. It's not the page level, it's the under the input password means under the password field we should get this. Okay, input hyphen password. Okay, register page dot get password warning. Okay, so that's fine. Anywhere any other locators are not hard coded, we have to anywhere locators are hard coded, we have to remove them. I think this is fine. We are not getting this message. There is a defect in the application. The test need to fail. Okay, there is a defect in the application. The test need to fail. There is a test fail here. The test will fail, guys. That's okay. It's expected to fail because there is a defect in the application. Will not get the password complexity warning message. You see, the account got created instead of giving a warning message in the register page. So the account, what happened with the test? It's not giving any results for me. Yeah, the script is running. Okay. Why the script is running for second time? Okay, let's see. Account has been created. Okay, multiple is a data-driven test case. Okay, it's a data-driven test. Okay, but the reason the script is running multiple times here is a data-driven test. That's okay. So maybe 4 sets of data were there. This will run 4 times, and every time it should fail, guys. Okay, because in every time you enter a non-complex password, also it's kind of taking and creating an account. So how many sets of data? I don't remember. Maybe 5. Yeah, maybe 5. Maybe there. I don't know. Let's try. Did we get the results? Yes, everything got failed. That's correct. Okay, everything got failed. Expected true but found false, and all those things are failing because of the assertion error, which is good. Okay, which is good to go. Fine then. For the next one, go here. So 17th one is a data-driven test, so it's like that. Let's go with the 18th one, expected height, expected width. Reduce these lines. First name, check. Last name, check. Then email check, email field we are checking, and telephone field we are checking here. The next one, password field we are checking. It's kind of lengthy, so I have given the comments. Otherwise, I would not have given the comments there. Password, continue, confirm field, and continue button. Height and width of the things, I think we are verifying here in this part of the script. Okay. So just go to the top and see here. Verify height and width and number of characters of the things, of the fields on the page. Here, this is first name field. Okay, what I will do here is, here I'll write down register page dot get first name field I need to get. Okay, I need to get the first name field only here. The web element I need to get here. Okay, I need to get the web element. Okay, Control Z, Control Z. Earlier it was like, we are hard coding the locator here. Already this is there. Go to the register page here. Already first name field is there here. You have to return that. Okay, whenever you call the method, it should return the web element. Okay, public, public web element, get first name field element, return first name field, save this. Next one, last name field, public web element, get last name field element. Here say return last name field. The next one, email field. We have to get all the fields, I think so. First name. Yeah, we have to get all the fields. That's okay. First name we have to get first of all. Last name we have to get. Then email we have to get. Telephone we have to get. Then password, password confirm. Continue button. Okay. All these are the elements that we have to get as web elements. Okay. Let's go with the email field. Public web element. Get email field element. Return. Return email field. The next one, telephone field. Next one is telephone field. Copy the telephone field here. Go down here to the methods and here write on public web element. Get telephone telephone field element. I will say return. Okay, telephone field is done. Then next one is password field. We have to return the password field. Public web element. Get password field element. Return password field element. Okay. Next password confirm field. Copy this and here write down public web element get password confirm field element. Here write down return. Done. Next one, privacy policy fee. I no, not that one. I think continue button. Okay, copy this. Have to get the continue button. Public web element get continue button element return continue button. Okay, all the methods are created now. So I'll change the things like this now. Let's go here to the top here and here instead of writing like this, register page dot get first name field element. Okay, anywhere hard-coded locators are there, you have to remove them. Okay, next one. Here we need to click on the continue button. We need to click on the continue button here. Anywhere hard-coded locators are there, we have to stop and do that. Okay, so here hard-coded locator continue button is there. Register page dot click on continue button. Done. And here also we have to get the warning message. Okay, we have to get the warning message of the first name field. So here remove this and write down register page dot get first name warning. Control Shift F. Done. Next. Okay. Here also copy this part and write down here this part. Okay. Register page dot get first name field. Okay. First name field dot send keys of A. That's okay. And here continue button. Register page dot click on continue button. Okay. Then next here is displayed. First name warning status is displayed. Is a warning message displayed or not? We are checking. Set false. It should not come. Warning message should not come is something we are checking there. Uh, driver dot find element by dot xpath first name warning message is displayed. Okay, is displayed. We are checking whether the warning message is coming or not. Till here it's fine. Dot is displayed is there. So I'll just go here and see is warning message displayed. Okay, warning message should not be displayed is the thing. Okay, is first name warning displayed? We have to write. Is that method available? Control F. First name warning. Public string. Okay, is first name warning message displayed. And here write down there is a first name warning. Return is displayed. Okay, so that is a first name warning actually. Where is the first name warning? This is the one, right? Yeah, correct. So here I'll write down return dot is displayed and should return the boolean value, not the string value. True or false should be returned. Okay, so here write down Control Z. Here write down done. Next one. Uh, here input first name again the same thing. Register page dot get first name field. Once that is done, we have to clear the text from the first name field. I don't know whether that thing is there or not. Uh, register page dot clear email field is there, but clear first name field is not there. How to clear the first name field here? How to clear the here also, guys? First name field dot we are entering some text into the first name field. Okay, so here we have to write down register page dot enter first name. What should we enter into the first name? This part. Okay, we have to remove this. We should not use commands anywhere. Okay, next one. Okay, first name field, clear it. Where is the first name field? First name field. clear method we have to write. Public void clear first name field. Create a method and here write down first name field dot clear. When you call that method, it will clear the first name field. Save this, come back here and write down register page dot clear first name field. Done. This line is done. Again, we have to enter the text into the first name field. For that, register page dot enter first name and here enter this first name. Okay, this particular first name you enter here and remove this line. Then we have to click on the continue button. Register page dot click on continue button. Put a semicolon here. Remove this. The next one, first name warning status false, and here this is displayed. Again, we are checking. First name warning status is coming on. Already we created this method for this, right? So here we'll simply write down register page dot is first name warning message displayed. That's it. Done. And come back here and again write down register page dot get first name field element. Then here register page dot clear first name field dot clear first name field. Okay. Then here register page dot enter first name. In that enter first name, you copy this and paste it here. Then remove this line. Then we have to click on the continue button. Register page dot click on continue button. Put a semicolon here and remove this. Okay. Then here get text command. Okay. Get text command for what? First name field. Okay. Register page dot get first name. Okay. Is first name warning displayed. Done. Control Shift F. Here asset equals we are doing right. Then 1 minute. Where is the expected first name warning? We are retrieving the text, but why we are writing is displayed somewhere here and there. There's confusion here. Just wait a minute. First name must be between 1 and 32 characters. Mm-hmm.
So we tried for first name after entering a one letter. You should not throw an error. So
Okay.
after that, we are trying to check whether the
Yes.
message is coming or not. But here I got the doubt previous as well. When
Yeah.
after entering this, we won't get any kind of
Yes,
message. At
and
the
no
same
message
time,
will come. Correct. Here
at the
we'll
same
get
time,
we'll get the
no
comparison here, but
file
here we'll not get
XPath
it.
as well. But how can we validate like is displayed or not? So that was my
Okay.
question. Yeah.
This is okay. But here asset equals is there means this is not the one actually. Okay, I'll tell you. Just give me a second. Go back. What exactly is there? Here is displayed is not we are using. We are using get text here. Okay, so I thought is displayed. Okay, so here we have to simply say register page dot get first name warning. That's it. That's enough. Okay, here we'll get the warning message and we have to verify that. Okay, Control Shift F. Done. So what's your doubt? Is the same doubt or?
Yes, sir. In the previous days, when we are writing initial days, like a Java program, we were trying to see after entering the one letter, there won't be no messages. But we are
Yeah.
we were doing asset equals is this that message was displayed or not. So I got it out like we we don't even get the X path of that warning message. How can we validate that one?
Yeah, that's correct only. But the thing here is like, what if it comes? It should come like that, right? So, if, for example, normally, for example, if the warning message doesn't come, if it comes, this warning message, we know the
Yes,
X path,
definitely
right?
we
When it
have
comes.
an XPath for that.
Hmm.
But when
When
you
it
enter a
doesn't
one
come,
letter, it won't come.
it won't come. But
Huh.
when it comes, this is a warning, right?
Right, sir.
But when it comes, you will take the XPath. When
Okay.
it doesn't come, you are saying checking whether it's not coming or not. Simple. Okay.
Then how can we check that, sir, if it is coming or not? If you are entering a single letter.
By using this command. Okay. Is
Okay.
first name warning message displayed or not? Okay. So here it will go and check first name warning. What is the first name warning? This is the first name warning. So if this is there or not, it will check. Okay.
Here was
This
my
warning message will not come.
problem.
Here warning
Huh.
message will not come and no such element exception will come for now.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
because no such element exception come, the script will stop or
Fine.
halt there itself. It will not even give true or false also. Okay.
Mhm.
So that's what will happen there.
Mhm.
So that's the reason I'm putting inside the try block for a while. Okay. Because if in case no such element exception comes here, we'll go to the catch block and assign false, stating that
Okay.
the warning message has not come for now. Okay. And then we are asserting here false will come. So false. So the test will pass. Okay. Like that we have verified it for a while.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Right. Yeah. So the thing here is if it comes, we know the X path, right? Using that, we are creating the X path. Okay. We are not worrying the case. If you give A here, this warning message will not come. I know that. Okay. You see, the warning message will not come here. But if I don't give anything, I know that how the warning message will come, right? Generally. So I'll take this as a reference and create an X path when the warning message has come and verify that this warning message is not coming when I enter a letter here. Okay. That's how I'm collecting the X path exception. Okay. Fine. So I think this will take some time. That's okay. Let's go with that. Then here till here we have automated it. Then here last name field, register page dot get last name field element, a semicolon. Okay. And then here also there is one thing, right? We forgot. Okay. First name field dot get CSS value. We didn't consider this. Okay. This is also a locator. Get CSS value. It's not a locator, but it's an operation. Okay. And get CSS value is a command. Okay. So how we are going to do this is for the first name field, we are getting the CSS value. Uh, yeah, we can do something here. That is, let's get the CSS value. Okay. That is height is the CSS property. So here, let's go here and check the first name field. Public string get first name CSS value. And here, write down return what is element first name field is a web element dot get CSS value and double quotes. I'll give that property name that is height. That's it. Now save this. And here, if I go back here, I don't have to write like this. I can say register page dot get first name CSS value. Okay. Like this, we can get this. And we even don't have to store this here. Directly cut this from here and paste it here. Okay. That's it. The next one here, width also the same thing. Copy this property and so otherwise just copy this, paste it here, and in place of the height, provide width, and then here get first name CSS value. Okay. What if I can do something like if I pass the property name, that will be great, right? Instead of creating this many methods, duplicate methods, string property name I'll pass, and the property name I'll pass it here. Then I don't have to create this many methods. Okay. Okay. Then save this. And here I'll say height. Then here width I'll take and remove this part and say register page that get first name CSS value of width. Put a semicolon here and this thing Cut this here. Here, why we are using the web element anywhere, we are using the first name field, why we are getting the warning message is not used, it's saying. Do we have to get the element then? In this only the element is there. Why should we get the element here? Okay, I don't think we have to get the element here. I thought there is a reason here. Okay, here it's okay. 1 minute. Let me think. There's something that is going on here. Okay. What if I don't give the element? Because I'm not using it anywhere. First name field, first name field. First name field is equal to register page dot get first name field element, and do I have to do all this stuff? I don't think so. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just remove this part and see what is happening. We'll enter the height. We'll get the height and do the assertion. Here width is there. Cut this part and provide this here. This line is not required. Then this part, I'll cut it from here. Put it here. That is also gone. Then click on the continue button and this assertion will be verified. And after that, you don't have to write this line, I think so. Register page dot enter first name. Click on continue button. Okay. Okay, no. Okay, after doing this small change, whether it is working or not, I'll see. Based on that, I'll take an action here. Errors are there. Where is error? Okay, here multiple places expected warning message is there. Whether we have to copy paste here or go back the same way. Yeah, that's okay. Here, I'm just removing this part. Now save this. Is error gone or still there? It's still there. More place. Okay, save all. Are the errors gone? Yes. Let's run the test to see whether it is working fine so far. This is a lengthy script, guys. I know it will take some time. Okay, a lot of ideation is required in this lengthy script when you're converting into the page object model page factory design pattern. A lot of variations are there here. We'll reduce the lines at same time we are implementing the page object model page factory design pattern. So both the things we are doing parallelly. So this will take time. That's okay. The script is working fine still. Okay. So I don't have any problem so far. I'll go with the same pace. Yeah. The test will fail because there is a defect in the application. The test will definitely fail because there is a defect in the application. We go to 8 7 as a password warning status. Okay. Maybe it's not working fine in the case of password or there is a defect in the application. That's the reason it's failing. That's okay. But otherwise, the script is working well. Here, what is the other thing that I'm going to do here is register page dot click on the continue button. Okay. So here, first name status, that's okay. And here, enter first name. That's okay. Click on the continue button. Clear, enter first name and click on the continue button, and first name status is equal to his first name message displayed. That's also fine. First name warning status clear, and enter this. Click on the continue button. We are checking this. That's okay. Last name. Here we are. I don't think we have to get the element here. If you're not getting the element, what is the need of we creating this web elements first? Like get first name, get last name, like that, right? Don't have to create them. I'll remove all this stuff. Get first name field element, last name field element, email field, telephone field, password confirm field. get continue button element are not required anymore, okay? Because things are working fine without them. So fine, that's okay. You'll get the errors here, but that's okay. We can take care of them. Here, what we are doing, get CSS value. For this, we have to create a method, okay? For this, we have to create a method. How to create a method for getting the CSS value of the last name field? Here, go here and already we created the method here, get first name field CSS value. Copy this and paste it here. Get last name field CSS value, property name, and here give the last name. Here give the last name field, okay? Save this, come back here and write down property name you write down, and here write down register page dot get CSS get dot get last name CSS value and give the property name here. Put a semicolon here and yeah, and this part you can directly paste it here. Done. Then next one for this one, copy this part, paste it here and change it to width, and put a semicolon here, and this line cut it here and paste it here. This line is no more required, okay? Done. Then click on the continue button, then register page dot click on dot click on dot click on continue button, remove this line, then get text last name warning message. We are retrieving the text here, okay? We are only getting the text here, okay? We are only getting the text here, you can clearly see. So here I'll simply say register page dot get last name warning, okay? That's it. Control Shift F. Here we don't have to write this anymore, but here we have to enter the text. For entering the text, I'll write down register page dot enter last name, and into the last name you have to enter double quotes A. That's it, done. The next one, we need to click on the continue button, register page dot click on continue button, put a semicolon, okay? The next one, last name warning status, and here is displayed, we are checking is displayed, okay? Whether it is getting displayed or not, we are checking. The warning messages should not come actually, okay? Warning message should not come. So here is first name warning message displayed. Similarly, copy this and write down is last name warning message displayed. Is the last name warning message displayed. Here I'll write down last name warning displayed or not. Save this. Go back here to the register and here write down register page dot is last name warning displayed or not. Okay. Control Shift here. Find all these things are good. Then here no need to write like this, and here write down register page dot clear. Where is the last name field here? What I was clearing here otherwise? Clear first name. Where is the last name started? Yeah, here. Anywhere I'm clearing. Did I use clear statement? No. Here, clear the last name field. We have to write the method for clearing the last name field. Clear last name field. Okay. We can do one more thing. Okay. Before entering anything into the fields, we can do that. That we can do it later, guys. Okay. But for now, we'll follow this. Okay. A lot of things are to be changed here that we'll do later because we cannot do everything yet ago. So here, for now, we'll create a separate method for this. Clear the last name field. We'll create a separate method for that. Register page dot clear last name field. Okay. Then once that is done, register page dot enter last name, and into the enter last name double quotes give that last name text, and reduce these lines and click on the continue button, register page dot click on continue button, put a semicolon here, remove this line, last name warning status is equal to false, and here is displayed is there, warning message should not come otherwise. Okay, register page dot is last name warning message displayed or not. Then here that's okay. Here again remove this line, it's not required, and here write down register page dot clear last name field, then register page dot enter last name, and this is the last name I'm entering. Remove these lines, restart page, click on continue button. Then this is gone. Then next one is get text command of which page? We are retrieving the text here. Get warning message of the last name field. Okay. Here remove this part and write down restart page dot get last name warning. Control Shift F. Okay, done. We don't have to create the web element for the email field here. Okay. So rather, we'll create a method here that is get email field CSS value, get email CSS value property name, and here email field, save this, come back here and write down register page dot, here I'll write down first, height right, register page dot get email CSS value, provide that here, put a semicolon, and this part I'll just paste it here. So this line is not required anymore. Next one, take this part and paste it here and change it to width. And take this part and paste it here. This line is not required anymore. Then email field dot send keys, instead of writing like this, we have to say register page dot enter email. While entering the email, we'll copy this text. Copy and paste. And then what is the next one? We have to click on the continue button, register page dot click on continue button. Put a semicolon here, remove this line. All good. Then here is displayed. Is the email field warning coming or not? We are checking. So for that, we have to create a method. Is email warning message displayed. Save this. Come back here and write down register page dot is email warning message displayed. Okay, that's it. Is email warning message displayed. Okay, done. All good. Here you don't have to write this line.
Arun, in line number 719, sorry to interrupt you. In line number 719, the method that we have created, it is,
Yes.
yeah, just click on this clear last name field.
Oh,
First
fine,
sentence.
fine.
Yes.
Yeah, I forgot, right? Copy paste it.
No.
Thank you. Fine. Yeah, that was a mistake. Correct. Clear last name field. Correct. Yeah. Telephone field dot get CSS value. So here, okay, we have to go here and create a method here to get the CSS values for the telephone field. Copy this, paste it here, get telephone CSS value, property name, then telephone field, okay, dot CSS, and also clear the telephone field also may come later, clear. I'll be writing right now itself, telephone field, and here telephone field dot clear. Okay, two methods I'm already creating so that I can directly modify them. So here height is there, copy this height and then write down register page dot get telephone telephone CSS value in double quotes, give that part, put a semicolon and cut this part and paste it here so that this line also can get reduced. Once that is done, this part you take, paste it here and change it to width, a semicolon here, and take this part, cut this and paste it here, done. Once that is done, here I need to click on the continue button, register page, dot click on continue button, put a semicolon here, remove this line. Then here, for the next thing that I'm doing, get text of the telephone field, get warning message of the telephone field, remove these lines, register page, dot get telephone warning. Control Shift F, done. I don't have to do this anymore. And here register page dot enter telephone, and here enter this telephone. This line is done. You have to click on the continue button, register page dot click on continue button, put a semicolon, remove this part. Then here get text again. Here remove this, register page dot get telephone warning. Control Shift F, done. Then here this line is not required. Register page dot clear telephone field. Then register page dot enter telephone. This part, remove this line. Register page dot click on continue button. Remove this line. Register page. What is the next one here? Get text again. Get telephone warning. Copy this part and paste it here. That's it. Control Shift F. Remove this line, extra line, and remove this part. Register page. Otherwise, you can copy paste here. Clear telephone field. Done. Then register page dot enter telephone. Here 1, 2, 3 I need to enter. Done. I need to click on the continue button. Register page dot click on continue button. Remove this line. Then here is displayed is there here. This time is displayed. Here is telephone warning message displayed. Okay. Here telephone warning. Save this. Come back here and write down register page dot is telephone warning message displayed or not. Done. Then this part is good, and here I have to remove this line. Then clear the telephone field, copy this and paste it here, and enter the text into the telephone field. And here I'll enter this particular thing. Then I need to click on the continue button. For clicking on the continue button, we have register page. Click on continue button. Done. Then here is displayed. Telephone field following is displayed. Again, the same warning message, right? Okay, here I'll write register page dot is telephone warning displayed. Once that is done, the next one, telephone warning status. Save this. Okay, input telephone field, clear, and all the stuff are there. Remove this line again. Write down clear telephone field. Then enter telephone. Copy this and paste it here. Exactly same. We have to copy paste. Then we have to click on the continue button. Copy this, and we need to click on the continue button. Once that is done, then your get text is there. We are retrieving the text. So here I'll write down register page dot get telephone warning. Control Shift F, done. So this part is done, guys, for telephone field. Still a lot of other fields are there. We have to modify the script for them. Let's keep continuing. remove this part. Here, password field get CSS value is there. How to get the CSS value of the password field? Here, copy this and paste it here. Get password CSS value, and here password field. Save this. Come back here and write down height is there. Copy the height and write down register page dot get password CSS value in the double quotes. Give the height. The semicolon here. Take this and paste it here and remove this line. And the next one, copy this part, paste it here and change it to width. Now cut this part and paste it here, remove this line. Done. The next one, we need to click on the continue button. To click on the continue button, you can copy this line and paste it here. So you can click on the continue button and here, get text of the password field, warning message of the password field you need to retrieve. Register page dot get password warning. Control Shift F. Then remove this line. Then for clearing, this time we need to clear the password field. To clear the password field, copy this and here write down clear password field. Copy this password field and say dot clear here. That's it. Okay. Then here write down register page dot clear password field. Okay. Then next one, send keys register page dot enter password, and in that give double quote 1. Remove this line. Click on the continue button. Or clicking on the continue button, register page dot click on continue button. Remove this line. And here get text is there, get warning message of the password. So register page dot get password warning. Copy this and we'll paste it here. Then Control Shift F. Then here remove this and here clear password field. Then here enter password 12. Then click on the continue button. Register page dot click on continue button. Set. Come back here and paste it here. That's it. Here get text warning message. Register page dot get password warning message. Control Shift F. Then remove this line. Then write down register page dot clear password field. Then register page dot enter password 123. Then register page dot click on continue button. Then driver dot find element by dot xpath get text. Input password get text. Okay. Register page dot you have to get the text of the which field, password field only, right? Get text only, right? Get text. So I'll just take register page dot get password warning. Yeah. Control Shift F. Done. The next one, remove this line. A lot of repetition, I know, but there's no other way. Right. Paste it. Then enter the text. Register page dot enter password. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 I'll be entering. Remove this line. Then here, continue button, restart page dot click on continue button, remove this line. Then password warning driver dot find element div is displayed. Okay, for this, is password warning message displayed. Here, password warning, done. Save this, and here write down restart page dot get is password warning message displayed or not. That's it. Come back here, down, and here remove this line, and here copy this clear password field. Then enter password, copy this password, then click on continue button, done. Here again is displayed, copy this part and paste it here. Then next one, remove this line, then clear the password field, enter password, copy this part and pass it here, remove this line, and we need to click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, here again is displayed or not, should not be displayed actually. Okay, take this part, next one, password confirm field check. Next one is password confirm field check. Remove this web element first of all, and here get for getting CSS value for the password confirm field. Copy this, paste it here. Get password confirm CSS value, and here password confirm field CSS value. Save this. Go back here and write down. Copy this height and write down register page. Get password confirm CSS value. Give double quote and give the height here, property name, and cut it from here and paste it here and remove this line. Then copy this part, paste it here and pass the width now. Width, pass the width, the semicolon here, cut this part, paste it here. The next one, done. Then here, remove this web element. I think this is only for the password confirm field is very less. The next one is a continue button. Remove this continue button web element thing. And then continue button get CSS value. So here create a method that is public get continue button CSS value. Here write down continue button, save this, go back here and write down color CSS value you have to get. Register page dot get continue button CSS value, and here I need to pass color. Put a semicolon here, take this part and give it here. Done. Next one, here register page dot, and here take this background hyphen color property and pass it here. Then remove this one. Then go back here and cut this part and paste it here. Remove this one. Next, register page, copy this part, take the font size this time, and here font size, remove this part, then take this part and paste it here and remove this line. Next, we need to click on my account and select the register option here. How to do this? Okay, fine. How to do this? Simple. Here, header options is equal to new header options, and then pass register page dot get driver. Put a semicolon here, and here remove this. Okay, here write down header options dot click on my account drop menu. This line is gone. Then header options dot select register option, and then this line is gone. Then we need to take the screenshot. We'll be taking the screenshot. Nowhere we are hard coding of the locators we are removing anyhow. Any other place where we have the hard coding of the locators we have to see. Everywhere it's fine. Okay. All good. Okay. Then what else then? This part is good. So far good. So far so good. I think we have successfully removed the hard coding of the locators from this entire script now, which took a lot of time, I know, but there is a way to do it. Save all. But after doing all this stuff, is the script working fine or not? We'll see. I think in one of the field it will not work fine, guys. Maybe password field, I think so. There is a defect in the application. It may fail. The test will fail due to some defect in the application. That's okay. But it should verify all the things that we wanted to do. So, okay, the test will fail, I told you, because of a defect in the application. Okay, that's fine. It's correct only. Okay. Okay, right. Again, I'm running. Where exactly it's failing, let's see. First name field it is verifying, then last name field it is doing. Email field. In email field it is failing, guys. Okay, it's not failing properly. There's some problem in the application because of it's failing in the email field. I have to find out. Email warning status. What is going wrong here? Click on continue button. Email warning status. Set false. Okay, here I didn't modify it. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, email warning. Okay, we can find out. Okay, what is the reason and all. Okay, so it's not failing properly. Let's run the test now. It should work fine this time. There was a mistake in the email thing. So this will fail. Test will fail, but it should fail properly. Okay, in which place it's failing, you have to see 819, which is password. Yes, it will fail in the password. Okay, password warning will come irrespective of that. There is a defect in the application because of which it is failing here. That's okay. All good. All good, guys. We have successfully removed the hard coding of the locators from the 18th test. Okay, which was a lengthy test. That's okay. We'll reduce the lines later in that particular test. Control Shift O. Control Shift F, Control Shift yes. Okay, that's it. The next one, 19th test, we have to continue with the 19th test. Some soft assertions are there, that's okay. So here we are entering the first name into the first name field. So here I'll write down restart page dot enter, restart page dot enter, restart page dot enter, first name, restart page dot enter, first name, and here I'll enter the first name here. Okay, it's already there, that's okay. The next one, here I'll write down restart page dot enter last name. The enter last name I'll write down, last name is already coming, that's okay. Remove this line. Then restart page dot enter email, and here write email text. Done. Okay, then restart page dot enter telephone, and here write down telephone. I think this is done. The next one, password. Okay, so we can reduce the lines a bit here, like if we don't have to use it everywhere, we can do this, but only one time we are using, right? So why to cut this from here and paste it here? Okay, done. Then cut it from here. One line we are reducing here. Okay, one line we are reducing. Next one, cut this part and paste it here. This line also will get reduced. Then string telephone, cut this part and paste it here. This also will get reduced. Then next one, register page dot enter password, register page dot enter password, and here write down, cut this part and paste it here. Done. Then register page dot enter confirm password, and here cut this part and paste it here. Done. Then select S newsletter option, register page dot select S newsletter option. Then register page dot select privacy policy field dot select privacy policy field, put a semicolon and remove this line. Then we need to click on the continue button on the register page. Register page dot click on continue button. This line is also gone. If it is browser name is Chrome or Edge, then what we have to do, and all those things are there here. So here, first of all, hard-coded locators are there here. Dot click. We are clicking on the continue button. On which page this is? You see, when you enter all these details and the account will be created, account success page will come. Just write down account success page here and use this account success page. And here we need to click on the continue button on the account success page. Account success page dot click on continue button. Then what about this one? Edit your account information link. Account success page dot edit. It's not there. Where is the account success page? We need to click on the edit your account information link. Account success page. Click on continue button and all those things are there. But here, edit your account information is not done it. So copy this link text, which is there on the account success page for the option. And here create a web element first of all. Create a web element here. That is private web element. Edit your account information. Edit your account information link. And here write down @find by. Link text is equal to give the link text locator of the edit your account information link. Save this and create a method. What I need to do on that particular thing, public void, click on edit your account information link. Edit your account information link or option. You can say option also. Copy this and say dot click. So once I click on this edit your account information, I'll be taken to the edit account information page, right? For example, if you on the application, if you are trying to register here, create an account, some email address, telephone number, click on continue button. Again, I'll click on continue button here. After that, I'll go to this page, this account page, right? Okay, so here, one more thing is there here. Once I click on the continue button, you'll get the account page, my account page, okay? My account page I have tried here. My account page is equal to. Now, on the my account page, let's go to the my account page here. Okay, I think I created this here. I should not be creating this here. Go to the, remove all these lines, okay? They are not, that's not on correct page. My account page. Go to the my account page and, already this link is there and click on edit information option. What I am doing with this element, I don't know. I created that element, but did I utilize the element anywhere? Is displayed only, I'm checking. Okay, fine. I'll create one more method here that is public void. Click on edit your account information option. Then here write down, copy this and say dot click, dot click. Okay, when I click on that, what will happen? You'll be taken to another page that is edit your account in edit information page. You will be taken to my account information page or okay, my account information page you are getting taken to. So that page is not there here. I'll just create a page here, right click here, new class, my account information page, information page, create this and say driver while creating this page object class, driver and create a constructor here with this name and here driver I'll write down driver and then I'll say this dot driver is equal to driver, then page factory dot init elements driver comma this control shift O. After that here extends root page will be there, root page. Okay, here under the root page is there. Hover the mouse, import it. Once I import, error will come here. I have to say super of driver. Okay, super of driver. Okay, the error will be gone. Control shift O, control shift F, control shift S. Save all. Come back here. Now here I'm going to write down. So here I'll go to the previous one, that is I went to this page from which page. When I click on edit your account information link on the my account page, right? On the my account page, when I click on the edit your account information, I'm taken to the another page that is my account information page. Return new, my account information page and then pass driver here, put a semicolon, copy this and paste it here. Now save this, control shift O. Okay, what's the problem here? My account information is there. Rename, refactor rename. There's a spelling mistake there. Information. Finish. My account information, everything is good now. Now I am able to return the object reference of the my account information. All good now. Okay. So come back here and here I'll just write down here my account page dot click on edit your account information option and this will give you the object reference of the my account information page. My account count information page is equal to, declare this for the first time. If you are using the page class, declare that, copy this and take it to the global level, put a semicolon here. Okay, once that is done, one minute. Yeah, once that is done, you can remove the double declaration here. Once the double declaration is required, I need to, this part is done. Okay, this part is done. Now, in the actual first name, I need to get it. Okay, from that page, I need to get this actual first name. Okay, input first name field in that page. For example, here, first name, last name, email, telephone fields are there. I need to, these are the locators. Okay, copy this ID and go to the my account information page and create web elements. Web element, private web element, first name field, put a semicolon here and write down at the rate find by X path is equal to ID, right? ID is equal to, sorry, ID is equal to give that ID locator, control shift O, create a method here. What I want to do on that, in this you can clearly see get DOM attribute, okay, with value. Uh, okay, string, public string get first name DOM attribute, string attribute name, and here write down first name field dot get DOM attribute, and here attribute name, put a semicolon and say return. That's it. Save this and here write down what is attribute name value. Just copy that and here write down my account information page dot get first name, and here give the first name DOM attribute value attribute. Okay, and yeah, this part you take it here and write it directly here. No need to waste another line here. That's okay. Next one, this is the last name field. Copy this last name field here. Go to this my account information page. Create a web element here. Create the web element that is private web element last name field, and here write down at the rate find by ID is equal to give that ID locator and create a method here. Copy the same thing and paste it here, and here write down last name attribute name, and here last name. Save this. Come back here to the register.java and write down my account information page dot get last name, and here value I need to pass. And this part you cut it from here and paste it inside in place of this one so that this line can be reduced. Next one, in email field, copy this email field and come back here and create a web element here that is private web element email field, and here write down at the rate find by ID is equal to give the email ID of the email field, and again do the same thing. Okay, get email DOM attribute, and here attribute name, and here email field, write it like that and save this. Go back here and write down my account information page dot get email DOM attribute and give the value here. Now take this part and put it here. Okay, done. Next one, why these errors are coming? Okay, did I do any mistake anywhere? Okay, got it. So this is the reason I stored into another variable maybe. Just write down drop dot get property of first name. No need to trim it. Without that spaces, it's the first name only, right? Yeah. Then here write down drop dot get property last name. By automatically they are trimmed, so I don't have to do anything. Copy this email. Then telephone. Only these four fields, I think so. Tenfold dot tree, remove that, paste it. Okay. Now take the telephone field ID, come back here and create a web element here, private web element, telephone field. And here write down @ find by ID is equal to give the ID locator of the telephone field. N is missing here, and copy this method, paste it here, and get telephone DOM attribute. And here telephone field dot get DOM attribute, save this. Now come back here and write down my account information page dot get telephone, and here give the value. A semicolon here, and instead of writing this line, directly write it, cut paste here and remove this line. No more required. Asset all. And here enter an email address, actual warning. Email field is there here, and get DOM property this time. Okay, not DOM attribute, this time DOM property. Okay, validation message property. Okay, fine. For that, I'll just go here and create a method. Just paste it here, and here instead of attribute, I'll say property. And here property name. And here instead of DOM, get DOM attribute, I have to say get DOM property here. And here property name. Then email field dot get DOM property. Okay, save this. Come back here. And here write down, copy this validation message property name, and here write down my account information page dot get email DOM property. And here double quotes, give the validation message property name, put a semicolon here. That's it. And take this part out, take this part and cut it from here and paste it here. Okay, done. This is not required anymore. Done. So we have successfully removed the hard coding of the locators from the TestNG test method 19. Let's run the test to see what exactly is happening here. Is the test working fine or not? Let's see. The test will fail maybe because streaming is not happening properly. There's a defect in the application. The test is going to fail. The test is going to fail, guys. Okay, that is the reason. Because here you see the reasons are Arun is not trimmed. More to read text entered into the during registration is not trimmed with the leading and trailing spaces. Okay. Email. What is the problem with the email? Here, email should not be a problem, guys, but the email is coming. So I'll just find it out. What is the reason? There is some problem. Telephone is okay. Telephone, but found with leading spaces. Saturday, Jan 041244. Here 22 IST 2025 is there. Here 18 IST 2024 is there. Okay, what is the reason? Okay, got it. Okay, what is the reason? I understood. I'll tell you what exactly is the problem. Register.java, come back here. And here, okay, got it. So here, common utilities, string, email with timestamp is equal to give that. And here, paste the email with timestamp here. That email with the timestamp without leading and trailing spaces, you are entering the same email here. Okay, that's what you have to do. Here again, it is auto generating another timestamp email. Okay, so this is one problem I have done. I think with this small modification, it should work fine. Should give only the three things. Email, there is no problem, it should trim. But first name, last name, and telephone, there is a defect in the application which are not getting trimmed. So let's run the test to see what exactly is happening here. It should fail properly. Even though it's failing also, it should fail properly. For email, we should not get anything, okay, in the one in the output. Only three reasons it should fail. For that is, if you go here, what are the three reasons it is failing here? Only this first name, last name, and telephone. For email, it should not fail, okay? Email is working fine. So I have corrected the problem and the script is working fine now. Then this very simple one, 20th is very simple one. By default, when we go to the register page, is this in selected state or not? We are checking. Is a privacy policy field should not be in selected state is something. Okay. So how to do this? For that, I'll go to the register page and where is the privacy policy field? Where is the privacy policy field? I just want to go to the privacy policy field first of all. Continue button. No newsletter, yes, newsletter privacy policy field is there here. Control F, Control V. Just search for this. Is there any method to check whether it is selected state or not? No, right? No method is there. I'll just create a method here. Here I'll create a method that is public boolean is policy field selected. Return dot is selected command. If it returns false, it is not selected. If it is returns true, it is selected state. Okay. Save this and come back here and write down register page dot is privacy policy field selected. If it is come as false, the test will pass. Okay, run the test. Is very simple. The test is very simple, guys. The test need to pass here. By default, the privacy policy field should not be in selected state. The test should pass here. Okay, the test got passed and everything is working fine. Let's go to the register.java here and let's see. Few more tests are there here. That is 21, 22, 23. So let's go with the 21 for now. Register page dot enter first name and here enter prop dot get property. First name I'll write down. Remove this. Register page dot enter last name dot enter last name and here I'll give prop dot get property last name. Remove this. Then register page dot enter email and here I'll give common utilities dot generate brand new email. Then register page dot enter telephone dot enter telephone and here I'll give prop dot get property telephone number. Register page dot enter password and here I'll give prop dot get property valid password. Then here register page dot enter confirmation password and here give prop dot get property confirmation password. And then here, sorry, just give me a second. Yeah, register page dot enter select S newsletter option. Select S newsletter option. This is done. Then register page dot click on continue button. Put a semicolon here and remove this line. This is also done. Then expected privacy policy warning message. And here it's a page level warning message. Okay, it's a page level warning message. So verify registering account without selecting the privacy policy field. We should get a warning message that you must agree to the privacy policy at the page level. Already we have created a method here. Register page dot get page level warning. Okay, Control Shift F. That's it. Okay, and you can also remove this line so that you can reduce one line here. Okay, that's also gone. So this is successfully optimized here. Run the test to see whether it is working fine or not. I don't think it will take much time, guys, for the remaining tests. They're kind of simple, so we'll complete it. Today, we'll try to complete the page object model, page factory, design pattern implementation. Okay, as part of this session, we'll complete that so that we can focus on other framework related concepts tomorrow. So next one is get DOM attribute of type for the input password. Okay, on which page? The register page input password, get DOM attribute. Okay. It's okay. I got it. Register page. I'll try it out. Register page dot get DOM. Sorry, register page dot get password. No method is there at this moment. So go to the register page here. Okay, give me a second, guys. Give me a second. So we have this method, right? get okay. For the password field, get DOM attribute method we have to create. There is a password field. First of all, password field is here. Copy this and create a method here. Okay, public string get password field DOM attribute, and here string attribute name, and here write down return password field dot get DOM attribute, and here give the DOM here give the attribute name. Okay, and similarly, yeah, for now this is okay. Let's go back, and here let's see what is the attribute name here. Attribute name is type. So here I'll remove this part, and yeah, register page dot get DOM attribute, and here give that. Yeah, another important call is coming. Just give me a sec. So here this is done, and the next thing here is confirmation field. For this also, password confirmation field, we have to go to the register page and create something like this. Copy this method, and here password confirm field, password confirm field, DOM attribute, everything is same. Save this, come back here, and here write down register page dot get password dot get password confirm field DOM attribute. Okay, get password confirm field DOM attribute, and here give the DOM attribute as type, and here remove this part. That's it. So it's kind of very simple. So let's run the test. Let's run the test here to see whether it is working fine or not. Yeah, the test is working fine. Then go with the remaining tests. Few more tests are there here, guys. Let's see how much time I think. Yeah. Then 23rd one. Okay. Verify registering account, page navigation. I think this method will take some time. Okay. This one will take some time. So we'll keep it aside. This 23rd test, we'll do it tomorrow. And remaining kind of simple ones we'll try to complete today. Okay. The simple ones we'll try to complete. We have one more thing that we need to do. That is 23rd, which is pending, register page. Other simple ones we'll complete it today itself. Register page dot enter first name, and here prop dot get property first name. Then here register page dot enter last name, and here prop dot get property last name. Then here remove this, and here write down register page dot enter email, and here write down common utilities dot generate brand new email. Then register page dot enter telephone, here prop dot get property telephone number. Then here register page dot enter password, and here prop dot get property valid password. Then here remove this part. Then register page dot enter what is this, control Z without entering confirmation password, right? That's correct only. Register page dot select S newsletter option. Remove this. Then register page dot select privacy policy. What is that? Control Z. Select privacy policy field. That is select select privacy policy field. Now remove this. Then next one, click on the continue button. Register page register page dot click on continue button, remove this. Then here this one, get text for the password confirmation warning we have to get. Password confirmation warning message we have to get. Register page dot get password confirmation field warning. I think this is the one. Okay. Control Shift F. Here for every method did I create the field. Okay. Get page level warning, password warning, email warning. Why I'm writing field here? I'll remove this field because I want to kind of be, straightforward there. So here I'll remove the field. Okay. This will be okay. Now save all. Any other places we have used that particular method? Yeah. Remove that field there. Save all. Done. I think all good. Come down again. Yeah. This part is done. I think can easily work on this. We can remove this line also. Cut and paste it here and we can remove this line. Now save this and run the test. Done. Next one, register.java. 25th. Let's go to the 25th one. Register account and here I'll cut this from here and expected title I'll directly provide. And here assert.assert equals driver.get title. To get the title of any page, right? I'll do one thing to get the title of any page. What we can do here is I'll go here to the utils and here these are common utilities, right? I'll create one more class known as element utilities. Okay, utilities, element utilities. Click on finish. In that element utilities, write down WebDriver Control Shift O, and here write down public element utilities, and here create a constructor to initialize a driver. This is not a page object class. This is a normal class. So when I need to initialize a driver, that's the only thing I need this constructor for. After initializing the driver, what is the next thing that I want to do here is mm, after initializing the driver here, I'll create some methods like public void, public string, get title, get page title. Like that, some methods I'll create, and here return driver dot get title. I'll say okay, that's it. Like this kind of common methods I'll be creating here in the element utilities. Whenever I have to use them, whenever I have to use this element utilities, right? How to use them? Here I'll go to the register page. I'll go to the register.java here, and instead of getting the title like this, how to get the page title? I need to get the title of the register page here. So can I call that method and get the title of the page here, or is there any other way? I'm just thinking for this get title method. What's the best way? Or I can call this kind of, these are not related to the elements anyhow. I'll do one thing, guys. I'll just delete this element utilities for now. I have another plan. So I'm intentionally, whenever it is required, I'll create it again. So instead of that, I'll just do one thing. And for the test, register is there, right? I'll create one more package here known as base package. Under that, I'm going to create a class known as base class. Okay. Here, create a class known as base class, which I'm going to make it as a parent class of all this test related classes. Okay. So here in this base class, what I will do here is here I'll create a driver, and here public constructor I'll create public. Do I need to create this? Yes, public base driver, and here I'll say this dot driver is equal to driver. Control Shift O. That's done. And here I'll create a method that is public void get page title, and here string. I'll just write down string and say return driver dot get title. Put a semicolon here. Now, once this method is created in the base class, which I will make this base class as a parent of the register. I'll just go to the top and here I'll say extends base, I'll say. Hold the mouse on this and import this. Okay. Here constructor is there, it is saying. Okay. Here constructor is there. You have to initialize that. It is saying. How to initialize this constructor? So here to initialize the constructor, what we have to do then? Okay. Okay. Is it really required? Okay. I'll do one thing. I have one more plan. I'll remove this constructor. Okay. I don't want the constructor there. I'll just simply say WebDriver only. Here, WebDriver. I'll pass the driver here and return the driver.getTitle. Okay. This is what I will do here instead. If required only, I'll pass the driver. Okay. So here, that's one way. So error is gone here. Okay. Now I'll go to the method. I'll go to that method, guys. That is 20. What is the method name? 24th, I think so, right? 25th. Yeah, 25th. Here, when I want to get the title, I'll not write the title like this. Rather, I'll call this method in the base class. Okay. Get page title, and I need to pass the driver here. Okay. I'll just go to the register.java and here paste it. And here, how to get the driver register page dot get driver, I'll say. And this will pass the driver and it will get the title of the current page. And if it matches with the register account page, then it's all good. Okay. Like this, I have solved this problem for a while. Then now URL, expected URL is this one. Expected URL, the expected page. Okay. So can't I move this expected page URL into the properties file? I think so. Copy this register page URL, go to the properties file and here write down register page URL is equal to, okay. Copy this property name and here write down instead of expected URL, here write down prop dot get property and give the property name of the register page URL and this one you don't have to write. And for current URL also, to get the current URL of the page, I'll create one more method in the base, okay. That is public string get page URL WebDriver. I'll pass the driver here, WebDriver. Instead of initializing with the constructor, I'm passing the driver to this as a parameter. Return driver dot get current URL dot get current URL. Put a semicolon here and save this. And here, how to do this? Just remove this part and say get page URL, page URL, and then pass the driver here, register page dot get driver, you pass. Done. That is done, and prop dot get property and URL is there. We have reduced the lines also. And as here, did we navigate to the, are we on the register page or not? We are checking, right? The URL, the title of the page, URL of the page, and breadcrumb we are verifying here. Is a breadcrumb, proper breadcrumb is getting displayed or not, we are verifying. So for that, we already have a method that is register page dot did we navigate to the register page. If you go here and we are actually verifying the breadcrumb only is displayed only, we are verifying the same thing we are doing. Then indirectly we are checking the breadcrumb only. And the next one here is register account page heading we have to get. How to get the page heading? For every page, this will be the same common page heading, guys. Okay. For every page, this will be the same page heading. Okay. No matter what page you take, for every page, this will be the page heading.
Can you explain the line number 1100? Sorry to interrupt you.
Which one? This one?
Yes. Register page dot get driver. This one only.
This one?
Yes.
We are passing the driver. Okay. So
Okay.
currently the driver is in the before method. The driver is there in the register page. Okay.
Okay.
From the register page, I need to get the driver and pass it to the method. Okay. So how to get the driver? We have to call this get driver method. Okay. In one of the previous methods, we created this get driver method. So it's there in the root page. Okay.
Root
And
page.
I made the root page as a parent page of all these other pages. So it will be part of the every page. Okay. I can get the driver from any of these pages by using this method. Okay. It will be inherited into the respective pages, and using the object reference of these pages, we are getting that driver. Okay. Whenever you need a driver that is passed to a different page in this page object classes, right? If you want to get the driver back, then you can call this method with the help of page name. Okay, automatically
Okay.
you are simply, instead of passing like this, right? There is a possibility that there is a problem may come. So I'm just writing register page dot get driver here. Okay, instead
Okay.
of for safe side.
Arun,
Okay, yeah.
yes, Arun, exactly that one only I want to know. So if we directly pass the driver also, it was working for me in one of my script. So what problem we might get, Arun?
Here more. Yeah, this is for best practice, not compulsory. Okay.
Okay, okay, got
You
it.
may not get the problem. Sometimes you may get a problem. Okay.
Okay,
Sometimes the driver may be part of a different page and all, right. But as a best practice, you can do that, or you can put a driver also if it is working fine. Normal driver is fine. Okay. So
okay, Arun.
otherwise, no harm in doing this. Okay. So I'm just making sure that I'm passing the driver to one class. From that class only, I'm taking the driver so that no confusion is there for me. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Okay. That's the main thing. Okay. That's the main thing I'm doing. So let's say you are traveling from one place to another place. Okay. So you are starting from Hyderabad and you reach Pune, and from Pune you want to go to Delhi, let's say. Okay. So whatever the driver I have in Hyderabad may not be the same driver in Pune, right? The one who is driving your vehicle. Okay, so may not be the same one, right? So I want to make sure that driver is correct. Okay, who is actually driving me is the correct person. Okay, so I'll take the latest driver and do it. Okay, so as part of the best practice I'm doing that. Some cases it may work fine because it will not vary much. Okay, so it's better that you get back the driver every time. Okay, so when you go from one page to another page, make sure that the driver that you have used for performing the operations on the latest page, you generally have to use. So sometimes you may get some issues, may happen. Okay, may happen. So it's better you pass the driver. Okay, from the latest page only.
Okay,
No
Arun,
matter what.
thanks.
Okay. In this case, it may work fine. Title and all page, your normal driver will work fine because it will consider the latest page only automatically. But as part of the best practice, I'm making sure I'm following this notation from beginning to ending. So I'm just passing the latest driver only every time. Okay. So that no issues will come for me. Yeah. Clear now, everyone, with that? 1100 and 1101. A lot of challenges will come like this, but we have to rectify them. Now I'm here to rectify this heading problem. You see, this is XPath expression to get the heading from any page, whether it is register page, whether any page, the same XPath expression will be there. How to tackle this problem? I'm just thinking. How to tackle this problem? I'm just thinking, guys. Okay. So yeah,
We can add this in root page, no?
root page. Yes, root page is a better place, right? Correct. Yes, root page is a better, and anyhow, root page is a parent page of all these page classes. Yeah, that is a correct solution. Okay. So cut this from here and go to the root page. Okay. And in the root page, I'll create that web element. Okay. Here, anyhow, initializing the elements is there, no problem. So here, private. Uh, what is that we are doing? Okay. We are heading part. Okay. String we have to return, right? The root page, we have to return string here. String get page heading like this, right? Any page, it can be any page. It's a common thing, right? That XPath is common for every page heading. So I don't want to put in a specific page. I can put in the register page only, but I am not doing that because tomorrow I need to get the heading of header options, login page and different pages, right? I cannot create this or replicate this method everywhere. So I'm creating that in the root page. Correct. Then here return. What was that element, guys? Where was that element? Private web element, private web element. So what is that thing? Page heading. Okay, page heading element. Okay, page heading at the rate find by xpath is equal to give that. Sorry, control that. Xpath is equal to give that xpath expression. Okay, control shift O, and here page heading dot get text between the tags. Okay, text between the tags will be there. The heading tags it will be there. That's okay. Save this. Why the warning is coming here? Never use locally. Okay, we will be using it locally. That's okay. Okay, so get page heading. Okay, so here this is the thing, guys. Anyhow, driver will be initialized here, so I don't have to worry about the driver here because when this particular method is called, automatically the driver will be initialized here and we'll get the latest driver only. Here paging heading dot get text. Okay, fine. Let's go to the register.java and here let's try to utilize that. Where is that method? Here. So here I'll say register page dot get page Is there get page heading is coming here? Register page dot get page heading. Not getting it. Is there a mistake I've done, guys, anywhere? Oh, sorry, it is public, right? Sorry, public. I made it private. Okay, that's the reason I'm getting this one. I was thinking why warning message is coming unnecessarily, but that was the reason. Okay, dot get page heading. Okay, done. Correct. Okay, now this is done, guys. Let's see whether it is working fine or not. Run this and see whether it is working fine or not. Yeah, it's working fine, guys. It's working fine. Okay, it's working fine. And the next one, this part is good. I think I clicked on it somewhere and it's running again. That's okay. Or I'll stop it otherwise. Okay. Why do maybe it is running all the scripts are okay, whatever it may be. Let's go to the restart.java and here see are these steps lengthy? No, they are very simple. We'll complete it. Okay. Browser name dot equals Chrome. Here instead of equals, it's better. We are following the equals ignore case, right? Okay, let's follow them. Okay. Equals ignore case. Wherever you are using equals method, better to use equals ignore case. Okay. Then control F, just write down equals here. Equals ignore case should be there everywhere. Equals ignore case. Normal equals method is there. Replace that with the equals ignore case. Here you see equals is there. Equals ignore case. You just paste it here. Equals. Again here also. Equals ignore case. Equals ignore case. Equals ignore case. Press enter. I'm just removing wherever in multiple scripts this equals method may have been used. Okay, I'm just removing that. Telephone warning is okay. We should not change that there. Yeah, here equals ignore case is only there. Equals. Yeah, here you see equals Chrome is there. Equals Edge. Equals Firefox. And again press enter. Okay. 1 minute. Let's complete this. Let's cross check. Whenever we get it out, we have to complete it. Okay. I think let's give a last check here. See whether anywhere we can find that equals method only in any of the scripts. Let's quickly check. I think it's done, right? It's everything is good. Okay, fine. I don't have any other instances where we have that equals method being used. I changed it to equals ignore case. Here, anywhere the hard-coded locators are there. Let's quickly check in this. No problem. We are not changing it any bit. Okay, so don't have to worry about that. 27th, the last one is last one for today. 23rd is still there. I'll cover that tomorrow. For today, this is the last one. Okay, register page dot enter. I don't think this is very that much big deal. The last one, it's very simple to remove the hard coding of the locators. Register page dot enter last name, and here give the last name. Prop dot get property last name you give. Then register page dot enter email. Register page dot enter email. Enter email, and here give common utilities dot generate brand new email. Then here register page dot enter telephone, and here give prop dot get property, give telephone number. Done. Register page dot enter password. Register page dot enter password, and here give prop dot get property valid password. Then here register page dot enter confirmation password. Register page dot enter confirmation password, and here give the confirmation password. Then this is also done. Then we have to select the S newsletter option. Register page dot select S newsletter option, and here this is also done. Then register page dot select privacy dot select privacy policy field. Then this is also done. Then register page dot click on continue button. This is also done. Then here uh, is displayed method is there. Okay. Here I'll write down driver.find element by dot and logout option is displayed or not. So here I'll say here when you click on the continue button, you'll go to the account success page. Account success page is equal to account success page dot did we is user logged in method I'll call, and here did we navigate to the account success page or not? We are checking account success page dot did we navigate to the account success page or not? We are verifying. Okay, that's it. It's very simple one. Okay, run this. Should work fine. The last one, 23rd is still there. That we'll do tomorrow because it will take a lot of time today. It's already late today. That's okay. I've taken 3 hours of session today. That's okay. It's a normal thing only, right? Like automation is not that much headache. I think we can continue like this, not a problem. But ultimately, we were able to kind of almost complete implementing the page object model page factory in our this project. But still, in the register.java, we have 23rd test that we have to still work on it. But for now, we have successfully implemented the page object model page factory design pattern to remove the hard coding of the locators in this 27 tests. Only one is left out. That is 23rd. We'll do it tomorrow. Okay. Again, tomorrow also we'll meet at 11 a.m. IST and we'll continue with that. Okay. So guys,
Uh,
anyone have any
Arun,
questions?
can
You
you
can ask me
please
right away.
push the code to local repo?
Yeah, sure. I'll do it right away. Okay. So whenever, you just remind me, guys. Okay. And when I'm in the session only, you try to remind me because after the session, I will forget. Okay. So it's better you remind me during the session.
And
So
recording also.
yeah, recording I'll upload for sure. Yeah, definitely. After this session, I'll upload recording.
Uh,
But
uh, Please upload yesterday's recording and today's recording.
yesterday's recording is not uploaded. I think I
No,
uploaded,
It's
right?
done, Arun. Today morning you did,
Today
as
morning
soon
only.
as the
That's what
session started.
okay. I did it tomorrow, today morning itself. You can check that. Okay. But this session I'll upload. Okay. Fine. Then here, I think this is a code. I'll upload the code here. Just give me a second. Okay, done. And you know how to take the code, right? Just go here, go to the repositories, search for live, come back here, go to src, test, Java, and then I have to go to what? Register, not register, sorry. Test package I need to go. In the register.java I need to go. You'll get the latest one. Okay. You'll get the latest one. I'll copy this and post in the WhatsApp group anyhow. Where is that? Okay. Today's code. Okay, tomorrow I'll take 2 hours only. Okay. Today anyhow we have went very far ahead, right? 3 hours. Tomorrow I'll take for 2 hours, so it will be like 5 hours. Okay, it is okay. Let's take 2 hours only tomorrow. Okay, it was simple today, so I continued for 3 hours. That's okay. But tomorrow I'll take it only for 2 hours. But it will start at 11 a.m. IST. Be ready for that. Okay, guys. Any other questions? Any doubts? Any questions so far?
Okay, Arun, so that in the weekdays there won't be any sessions,
Yeah, if
correct?
I take on weekends, weekdays won't be any sessions. If I don't take on weekends, then weekdays there will be sessions. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, from next week onwards, take weekdays, sir.
I cannot say that, Nitish. It's not, my availability. I'm checking with my availability. Accordingly, I'll plan. Okay.
So maximum try to take
I'll try.
weekdays.
I'll try because I'm going for corporate training. Okay, starting from Jan 6. That's the reason I'm planning like this because there is a possibility that it may, I have to travel from Kokapet to this my place Suchitra. It will take like 1.5 hours, and I may get tired also. There's a possibility that I may not take. Okay, so if required, I'll take, but we'll see. Okay, some holidays also will be there. In between that, I may take on weekdays. I'll let you know. Okay, but mostly in weekends only, it will be done now. Okay, going ahead.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, fine. Any other questions?
Hi, Arun. This is Parshuram here.
Yeah, Parshram, tell me.
Yeah, 2nd January you didn't upload it in the drive pool drive.
2nd
2nd
January
January.
here. This
This is
one?
this one is 2nd January.
I uploaded the party 8, which is the latest one only.
The 29 is the 1st January and 30 is the
Maybe I have uploaded every day, I think so. I
I
didn't
think
miss
on
it.
2nd January there was no class, I think.
There was no class, maybe. Yes. You can see the part numbers, maybe. Here,
okay.
part
Alternate
7 is
class.
there. Yeah. Alternative classes were there. Yes, correct. Yes,
Yeah,
there
okay.
was no class on that day. Fine. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's everything is there. Okay, don't worry about that. Today also,
Okay.
I'll whatever the session I have taken, right? 31, that will come
Hmm.
today. Okay, one side. It will
Okay.
take some time because this is a lengthy class, right?
Okay.
So for this to get stored into my machine and all, it will definitely take some time. Once that is stored, right, immediately I'll upload. Okay, you can keep checking there. Anyhow, the code I uploaded already. Only the recorded session I need to. Only one session will be there. That is 3 hours of session. I'll upload into the Google Drive. Okay, in some time. Okay. Any other questions? Does anyone have any other questions here? Okay, then fine. So let's meet tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. ST, and we'll keep improving the framework. Okay, we are still working on the framework. The framework part is not done yet. Some page object model, that one test is there, and remaining framework concept will start implementing them one by one. So we'll keep going like that for a while. Okay, fine. So let's meet tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. IST. Bye everyone. See you.